Today we're using our Dress It Up button embellishments to embellish a beautiful card made with our Cricut cutting machine. With your Cricut, you have access to a ton of free projects, and this beautiful card is just one of the many easy projects that you can put together with just a few pieces of your favorite cardstock. I'm using sweet butterflies to embellish my card today, but you could also use glitter butterflies or let your spirit soar. These little dragonflies mixed in with your butterflies would be absolutely beautiful. I'm using sweet butterflies that come in the purple and pink. There are various sizes and shapes of the butterflies, and I'm using 3 pieces of 12 by 12 cardstock. I'm using white, purple, and a dark blue, but you could use any color that you want that will coordinate with your sweet butterflies, let your spirit soar, or your glitter butterflies to create this card. Open Cricut Design Space with your mobile device or with your desktop computer and type in Square Floral Card into the search bar, or you can simply type in butterfly and a list of projects, including this one, will come up for you. Follow the step-by-step, easy to follow instructions using your 3 pieces of cardstock to cut out your card, and then we are ready to assemble. Once you've followed all of the steps in Cricut Design to cut out the pieces of your card, now we're ready to assemble. So the base layer of your card is going to be the white cardstock piece that opens so that you can write on the inside of your card. This is the base piece, and then we're going to put down our next layer, which is the blue in my case, but it may be different depending on what you have picked out. You want to glue this down with some clear adhesive. You can either use tacky glue or a glue stick. You just want to be sure that whatever glue that you use on your cardstock, that it will dry clear. Once the base layer has been put down over the top of the white cardstock, then you want to come in after the glue has dried and lay down the next layer. You want to be sure that these layers line up so that that base layer is peeking through all of the little cutouts in the top purple, in my case, layer. And then you want to use your adhesive and glue this down and let the glue dry. While the top layer of your card dries, you're ready to assemble your paper butterflies. The paper butterflies were cut out in the first step with the white cardstock where your base for your card was cut out. There are 3 different kinds of butterflies, and they come in 2 pieces so that they are layered and 3-dimensional. You glue these together, pick 1 or 2 of them and glue them in the center, leaving the wings open so that they do have a 3-dimensional effect once they are glued down to the card. Once the glue has dried on your butterflies, now you're ready to add these to the top of your card. Just glue them down anywhere you like. Once you have glued down your paper butterflies, now the fun part. It's time to embellish and personalize our card using our Dress It Up button embellishments, our sweet butterflies. You can use as many or as little as you want. It is totally up to you. It's all about personalization. All of the sweet butterflies have a shank on the back, so use a sharp pair of scissors or a cutter tool to trim off the shank so that you have a nice flat surface that you can then glue down and decorate your card with. Once the glue has dried from adding your sweet butterflies, Dress It Up button embellishments, you have a beautiful personalized card that you are ready to share.